The next question in this Python HackerRank series is the minion game. Here what they have given us, a string. Both players are given the same string. The string which is being used over here is this banana. This is the string, and this string is given to both of these players. One is Stuart and the another one is Kevin. Okay. By using this word banana, they have to prepare list of words. Okay. So Stuart has to prepare list of words starting with consonants, whereas Kevin has to prepare list of words starting with vowels from this one string which has been provided to us. Okay. And also we have to count their scores. As you can see over here, Stuart score is more than that of Kevin, so Stuart is winner in this case, and we have to print his name and his score. Okay, so I'll show you an overview of this question. In case of Stuart, as he is counting the words starting with consonants. Okay, so when they have said that the word starts with consonants, okay, so there are all these possible ways. Okay, there are all these possible words that can be prepared from a single word, which is banana. As you can see, there are in all 6 words which can be prepared with the single letter, which is B, which is a consonant. Similar thing is given over here, but the way I have told you is in the more simplified manner. Okay, so you can understand more easily by going through this explanation. Okay, and here as you can see, the score of n they have given here 2. This is because of that n occurs 2 times in this banana. Similarly, here in case of Kevin, A has 3 score because that A occurs 3 times. This one, and here also 3 times. A occurs 3 times in this word banana, so they have written 3 over here. Okay, so we'll move forward to code. While coding concept will be more clear to you. Okay, so at first what we want the length of this string, because we want to check all these letters as they are consonants or vowels starting from this 0th position to this 6th position. We want to count all these letters, so we need for loop for that. So for and in case of for loop we need length, so we are going to calculate length first. And then we will set a counter for vowels and consonants, and first we'll assign them as 0. And we'll now apply for loop for I in range length. And now we have to check whether that word is consonant or it is vowel. So here also they have mentioned that vowels are A, E, I, O, U. So to check, we'll write if condition if S of I S of I, it's string string in A, E, I, O, U. Okay, so it will check letters one by one whether they are present in this string A, E, I, O, U or not. If they are present in this, then we will increase the vowel count. adding by length minus I. I'll explain you why we are adding it by length minus I. At first, when we are going to count the words starting with B, the I will be 0 and the length of string is 6. So 6 minus 0 will be 6. So the words starting with B. So the number of words which can be made starting with B are 6 words, as I have shown you in this explanation. We can form 6 words starting with B. So here we are using this length minus I. We will also write the else condition over here. Else we will increase the consonant count. Okay. The similar concept is being used here also, that is length minus I. And now we'll check the winner. If the number of words starting from consonants are greater than the number of words starting from vowels, then Stuart will be the winner. Okay, so I'll just write that condition using if the words starting from consonants are greater than the words starting from vowels, then the Stuart will be the winner. So we have to print his name, Stuart, and then we have to print his score also. So we are using formatted print over here, consonant. And now we'll write else if condition. Here they have given if the game is draw, then print draw. Okay, so we'll write that condition. Else. Now we are going to write the last condition. Else if Stuart is not winner, then the Kevin will be the winner. Now we'll submit the code and we'll check. The code is working. All the questions included in this Python HackerRank series will be available on my channel, and thank you guys for watching this video. If you have any query, let me know it in comment section given below.